In this video, we're going to be discussing the most recent housing market forecast by the Mortgage Bankers Association, which was just published on February 20th, 2024. I'm Tim Hamilton with StellarQuest Real Estate. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home in Southern California, please feel free to reach out anytime. You can find all of my personal contact information in the description below, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions and let you know what I can do to help. So to get right into the forecast here, the first thing we're going to be looking at is total existing home sales. So this does not include any new builds, new construction homes. These are homes that were previously purchased by an individual and are now being resold. And so you can see here in 2023, we had 4,099,000 homes sell nationally. They are expecting an increase to 4,311,000 homes in 2024, which would be an increase of 5.2%. Then they are expecting an even larger jump up in 2025, up to 4,845,000 home sales, which would be an increase of 12.4% over the previous year. And in 2026, they are expecting another slight increase of 3.1% up to 4,993,000 homes selling. And so just to put those numbers in perspective, because they are fairly low compared to what is historically normal, going back to 2021, we had 6,120,000 homes sell nationally. Now, that was a big year for the housing market, largely because mortgage rates were at historically low levels. And, a lot of people were relocating due to the pandemic. Many people were working from home rather than going into the office so they could move out of the city. So that did spur a lot of activity in the housing market. But even looking back to 2019 before those factors, there was 5,340,000 home sales. In 2017, we had 5,510,000 home sales. So, by 2026, they are expecting us to get back closer to those numbers, but still at a relatively low, number of homes selling nationally compared to historical averages. Next thing we're going to be looking at is the FHFA US Home Price Index, and this is tracking home prices. So in 2024, they're expecting a 4.1% gain. In 2025, another 3.3%, and in 2026, 3.9%. So these are all just fairly normal levels of home price appreciation. Nothing crazy going on there. And lastly, we're going to be looking at the 30-year fixed rate mortgage forecast, and you can see it broken down by quarter here. So, first quarter, they're expecting rates to average 6.9% and then slowly work their way down to 6.1% by the end of the year. Similar story in 2025 with just steady decreases throughout the year down to 5.5%. And then in 2026, it really doesn't look like they're expecting much change from 2025, still staying right around 5.4%. So that wraps up what we're going to cover of their forecast. Again, if you're thinking about buying or selling a home in Southern California, feel free to let me know. And if you enjoyed watching the video, I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button below. And please subscribe if you like to stay up to date on the housing market. Thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. You're being a nuisance all video, huh? Say bye. All right.